Hello. So today I thought we would go over er, the sound. I look at this as an IR, like a short I, and then the R. And you'll notice, look at these. Okay, we have turn, Turn, fern, Fern, word, Word, and sir, SIR. Er. So that's how I teach it as an sound. And it's in so many words. It's also the ER on the end of words like runner, anything with that ER ending has this sound of So I want you to look at my lips. They look a little funny to me, but I think when we are speaking, everything happens so quickly that we're not like stuck in that position. So we don't look funny for a long time. Just for a split second. So you'll notice this part of my lip tight. So it's a lot of muscle interaction in here. So er, er, and my lips, I can't tell, but it feels like they stick out a little bit. Er. Are really, really bringing really bringing this muscle here. I have to like this muscle here. Er, er, almost gives me dimples. Er, there is no other way to make that sound. And you just have to practice like everything else. So, again, tur, like my tongue, tur, turn, burn. It's in a kind of a weird spot. Um, fern, it's soft, or, or, but it's like pushing up a little bit on the inside of the back teeth. Not on the teeth, but on the inside, kind of back in the back. So the front is loose, real soft, not doing anything, and it's more the back. It's just pushing up a little bit. Er, er. Try to mimic that sound, mirror me. And then try those words. Fern, turn, concern, sir, and see if you can get that sound. And then practice. Every book that you can come across or magazine or article or something, probably unless you can do it online you can highlight like articles. I don't know. I don't do. I like to read books. So, um, whenever you come across one of those words, and remember to look at the Merriam-Webster Dictionary.com and figure out where that sound is in case you don't know, because obviously our letters are not really telling you. The OR, ER, IR, UR can all sound the same. So just make sure you figure that out first, and then you can underline those words in your book or your article, and then practice those words, or just get a list because I want you to sound a little more fluent in that area. So that's the IR. I don't really have a whole lot more to be able to share with that sound. If you have another question about that, just leave it below. I'll be happy to help. And thank you so much for being here with me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.